The field of human relations is a new discipline. It's actually culled from a variety of disciplines, the social sciences, business, human resources, and the focus is on helping folks learn how to navigate relationships in the workplace.
So there was a few reasons that I chose CUNY SPS. I was looking to go back to school. I looked at a couple different colleges, and CUNY happened to have sort of a meet and greet about the major within a few weeks of when I was looking. The description appealed to me, and I went to the meet and greet and I met the professors and some of the students, other faculty, and I just really was impressed with their passion, and that was ultimately why I chose to come here.
You know, I was Googling and just looking at schools that had human resources majors, and SPS came up, and I like that it's mostly for continuing education. A lot of my classmates are just like me. They had gone to school, stopped, and came back. They're already in their careers and want to progress in their career, so I realized that I did make the right decision by coming to SPS.
I was really surprised with all the people around me in the classes. I didn't expect to come to see so many people from different backgrounds and ages more than anything, and I find that really wonderful because the experiences that they have are so enlightening and you learn so much from them.
We at CUNY SPS in general, we have fairly small classes. There's a really good instructor-student ratio, and so students get a lot of feedback from instructors. And the courses, again, they're interdisciplinary, so courses are from various disciplines, and they are trying to be applicable, meaning we have courses where students look at case studies and try to figure out solutions for organizational problems. And we have students, especially students who are already working in an organization, who can kind of take this knowledge and immediately apply it to the outside world.
It's more than just learning theories when you come to SPS. You really, like I said, you get to share so many experiences. You get to be in classes where the professors have a lot of experience and they get to share that. So when you're in a class, you're really immersed because you are being taught by professors who really have the experience in those fields.
By moving the program from in-person to online, we wanted to still maintain the connection, the community, the sense of support that the students hopefully feel from the faculty and from administrators like myself, and then from one another, as well as from alum from the program.
It kind of made me look at, wow, like I can really make an impact in the world, whether it's small or big. And it's not just about advancing my career. It's not just about, making more money. It really helped me see that this is who I am in the world. This is what I can contribute. And this is how I can impact people on a day-to-day basis, whether it's, in small ways, being a leader at an organization, or just in my everyday life.
I used to shun away from the spotlight and being able to speak publicly and openly and honestly, you would refrain and keep a lot of your opinions to yourself. But here in SPS and within this human relations program, you get to see that your opinion might be able to change something. It might be able to help someone. It might be able to open a door somewhere. So it's important to be able to speak up. And so that's something that I definitely will be taking with me.